Setting. You know that the setting of a story is the time and place in which the action occurs. The time can be particular season, year, time of day, or historical period. The place can be everywhere, anywhere from a civil war, battlefield, to a spaceship hurtling toward to Mars. A writer reveals a setting by describing the detail of a time and place. Often, he or she also includes the descriptions of the characters' clothing and lifestyles. Such descriptions allow readers to visualize a setting in vivid detail. In some stories, this setting takes center stage, serving as more than just a backdrop for the unfolding actions. As this chart shows, a setting can affect the characters or create conflict for the theme to endure.